folks, and welcome to this episode of The Average Joe. Today is a product review video. I just want to let everybody know, FTC announcement here. This is a sponsored video, and the fine folks at Zmoon have provided me with the product we'll be opening and reviewing today. So let's take a look and see what they sent. Alright, so Zmoon has sent us some of their LED 12-volt lights. These lights are meant to be mounted on a car or a truck to give you some exterior illumination in the bed or out the back. So we're not going to be doing that here. I'm going to be mounting them in my garage over my little workbench here, which never seems to get enough light. So we're going to try to mount these up here, try to shine down and give us a little more light on my workbench. So let's see what Zmoon, these are the LED light bar for the Jeep, boat, things like that, and they're black and they're 12 volt. All right. Some more tape. They're giving me my camera here, so I don't have a tripod set up. It's the operating manual. Now these are meant for DC use, but we're going to use a little power supply that has the regular 110 in and gives us 12 volts out. And the LED lights are pretty forgiving anyway, so I use them in my Christmas display. So I think 12 volts from that should be just fine to light it up. Little mounting bracket with an Allen key. Another little mounting bracket. There's two of them in this box, and they are just bare wires at the end. And that tells you how to hook them up there. Alright, so here's our first light. And they're small, but since they're LED, they should light up pretty darn bright. Yeah, and we will just take that light and we'll mount it to the ceiling right up here somewhere to shine down on the workbench. Let's take a look and see what we got. I see 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 on the front LEDs, and then another, oh wow, 3, 6, 9, 18, 20, another 30 looks like inside. Made of metal, seems pretty darn solid. Alright, that's the mounting bracket screws you hear in there. So, that's what comes in the box. The manuals for instruction here say, frequently asked questions, can these be taken apart and resealed? You can do what it says, it does work. Will these lights drain? Match battery power if used on a garden tractor. As long as it's 12 volts, they really shouldn't. So a lot of FAQs in here. And installation brackets and how to use them. Alright, so that's what's in the box. And there are two of these. It is a 2-pack. And these are from Zmoon. So I'm going to take one. I'm going to wire it up to my little converter there. And we'll see if we can't see what kind of light it gives off. But again, these would normally be placed in your vehicle and wired 12 volt that way. We're going to do it this way. And that's the little mounting bracket. So, alright, we'll be back in a few minutes when I have it wired up. Alright, folks, so I wired it in. And as you can see, I have it shining now on my desktop here. This is the other one. It comes two in a box. I have it mounted above me on the ceiling, wired in with my 12 volts. You can see it's just wired in there. And I have it mounted on a piece of wood here. And it is very, very bright. I gotta say, for the price they charge for two of these, that's a nice amount of light for your workspace, that's for sure. So I have no complaints. So I think I can say these seem to be worth it. I really do think these are worth it. There's a link down below in the description if you want to order your own yourself a set of these. But the Zmoon company seems to have a fairly decent product here that gives a nice amount of light to your workspace. So I can't complain. I know they're meant for trucks and boats and Jeeps and all that for exterior illumination, but I don't have that. But for interior illumination, I just took a simple 12 volt power supply, wired it in, and we're good to go. So I can't complain. All right, if you like what we do, folks, give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Again, there's an address down below. There's a link down below, I should say, if you want to order these direct. And we'll go from there. So I want to again thank the Zmoon company for sending these, and it looks like a fairly decent product. All right, take care, folks. See you next time.